Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is me Logan aka Frostfire, and today we are going to take a look at a $350 budget computer build. While the PS4 is better in some gaming situations, you get to reap the benefits of having a PC by doing things such as writing text documents and watching full HD porn if you build this thing. Let's get started. For the CPU, we chose the AMD 5350. It's a quad-core and it has a slowish 2.05 GHz clock speed. It really is low-end, but since most games rely on the graphics card more than the CPU, it should be okay. The motherboard we chose is a Gigabyte GA-AM1M-S2H. It's a good micro ATX motherboard for its measly $30 price point. It doesn't have much room for upgradability, but it should work. For the RAM, we chose 4 GB of crucial memory. It has a CAS of 11 and no heat spreader, so it's ugly green, but it's cheap and it works, so shut up and stop complaining, or else. We chose a 500 GB Seagate drive for the storage. It's faster than PS4's hard drive, and it should be enough for most games. For the GPU, we chose the XFX R7 265. It has a big frame buffer and is overclockable, and we recommend OCing your components in this build, especially the GPU because it has a base clock speed of 900 MHz. Yikes. Now the case we chose might seem a bit odd. We're going with the Roswell Ranger M. I personally chose this case because I have one myself. I gotta give a huge shout out to my cousin Gage for giving me this case for my next computer build. Fun fact, me and him ran a gaming channel for a few years, so you might want to check it out if you enjoy my content. Link will be in the description. Now back to the case. It's a nice budget case that comes with a nice looking 120mm blue LED fan on the front and a secondary 80mm fan in the back. Though the case looks kind of office-y, when it's powered on with those blue LEDs, it looks pretty intimidating from the front. And for the power supply, since this is a relatively low power build that is pretty cheap, I skimped out on the PSU admittedly. We chose the Corsair CX430W 80 plus bronze PSU.
Disclaimer, we do not recommend using this PSU on any build ever, as the CX line of PSUs has cheaply made capacitors that short out relatively quickly under heavy load. We chose this PSU for this build because it's cheap, and that's the only reason why. Back to the video.
Whoa, what was that? Alright, the PSU is really cheap and low quality, but it works, and isn't that all that matters with this build? This build just doesn't have the same quality as the $400 console replacer. This build is meant to just plain work until it either fails or you can upgrade to something better. And the grand total of this build comes out to $351.94. My name is Logan, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I've been doing nothing but PC builds lately, and my content is going to improve with time, trust me, but not without your help. Please leave constructive criticism as much as you can so I can learn what my viewers want and enjoy and what they hate in my videos. That's all for now. Stay frosty. Until next time.